Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an AI spawn system. So this AI spawn system is going to shoot out a number of AI in different locations of your map or your level or wherever it may be. So here we have just our third person character again. Nothing special going on about it. We're going to add, to begin with, a actor. So this is going to be essentially our, where do we want our wave to spawn? So spawn locations, pp_spawn location. And all this is going to be is, we'll just get a billboard. Make it a hidden game. And take that. Right, so all these locations is all things we can dot around the map that we want the AI to spawn from. So we'll just chuck a few out now. Chuck one there. Chuck one there. One over there. So for that, that's it. What we're going to create now is our spawn system, our wave system, if you will. It's going to be bp_spawn system. So here we have our blank blueprint for now. What we want to do is essentially spawn actors at that location. So the way we'll do that is we'll create a function called get spawn locations, and all we're going to do is get actors of class of bp_spawn locations. And then add that to an array. Make that an array, so we'll call this spawn locations. So if we can leave that as that, but we'll just add a return value here, and we'll just put that through. So locations. So all we're doing now in our system is when we call this event, it's getting all actors of class, so getting all the actors within our level that are BP spawn locations. For each of them, we're just going to add them to we're just going to make an array out of it and return that. So now we have our locations got. We basically want to create a system spawning AI in. So how do you spawn AI? Well, spawn, not that one, spawn actor from class. This is the way you normally are allowed to spawn stuff in. What we want to spawn in is our AI. For this, we'll just use bp_third person character. That's going to be the class we're going to be spawning in. I haven't made any special AI or anything like that. But we might want to control how much we want to spawn in and stuff like that. So, how do we do that? Well, add custom again. So this is going to be spawn NPC. So when we call spawn NPC, we're going to go for each loop. We're going to spawn our class in. But obviously we need our collection of AI. So what we could do for this quick tutorial is basically set up a reference called this NPC to spawn of type array. That's fine, and we can make that instance editable for later on when we have to put it in the map. So back to this. So we need our transforms. Well, luckily we have them, because when we call this, we'll do up here, we'll do for event begin play to make it easier. We're going to be getting our spawn locations, and we have them here. I did already create a reference to them, so if we wanted to call it down here, we actually could. And we'll do that there, so we can. Make sure our event is definitely called to begin with. So when our event's called, we're getting our spawn locations, and then for each loop we're getting our NPC to spawn and spawning them. We just need to set where. So what we'll do is from this, we'll drag out from our array here. Got random array from item. Plug that. Oh, sorry. We got our item. We can get transform, and we can plug it in there. Don't need an instigator. There we go. Just refresh that. We'll just swap this to always spawn. So with our spawn system here now, all we'll have to look at is our NPC to spawn. So we'll just add a few in. Oh, sorry. What I forgot to do is within our spawn system, we've got it to actor at the minute, which is fine, but it might be more specifically a blueprint class. So for us, we have BP_ third person character. That's the class we're going to be spawning in. So what we'll do is we'll change it to that, compile, save, and then when we refresh this, we'll delete this out, we'll put a new one in, and we add some more. Well, we should be able to, if I bring this back down here, see it's hidden a little bit. If I just bring this out here, we can add our third person character in there. And we'll add some more. So we have 7 spawning. So if we hit simulate now, we can see that it has filled them all. All of them have been filled. Now what you might notice is they're not all spawning because of the collisions. So what we'll do is just within here for now, we'll turn off collisions on our character of type pawn. Oh, we have them ignored, lovely. So they're all spawning now. Here we go, some of them are just hidden under each other because we've set it to do that. What we can actually do is set that to a block. It might push them out of the way. Like so. So we'll just set it back. So that it's working. So that's just a simple way of setting up a NPC spawn system where all it's doing is spawning the NPC at a random location that we've got from our transform. We just quickly edited it. We can make it, if we wanted, a bit more random by making it so we can only go to that if that spawn location has been chosen, pick another one. But for this quick tutorial, I just wanted to show you how you can get out spawning AI in different locations, like so. And then if we want to add more, we simply come to the manager, add some more into the array, like so. And we'll hit simulate, and there we go. More AI in our level. Now obviously you'd have them on their own AI controller with their own blackboard and behavior trees doing stuff, but spawning in the level quite simply, starting this event, getting all of our actors, then for each one getting a random spawn location. So, and if just before I do leave, if you want to just make this a little bit better, what you can do is we can add this function over here. We don't actually need the return value there, because what we can do instead is just get our reference to that, just make our code a little bit cleaner. There we go. So, thank you for watching this very quick tutorial to show how you basically get NPCs to spawn in your game. Thanks for watching, and see you on another video.